By now, you have learned what cryptocurrencies are, how blockchain works, and how to get started with trading safely. But before we move on to strategies and technical analysis, there is something crucial every trader must master: how the crypto market actually works under the hood. Because understanding why prices move, how liquidity affects trades, and what volatility really means separate casual traders from professionals. The nature of the crypto market. Unlike traditional stock markets that open and close daily, crypto markets never sleep. They run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week across every time zone. Millions of traders, algorithms, and investors are active simultaneously, reacting to news, data, and sentiment. This global and non stop nature makes crypto extremely dynamic, accessible from anywhere, full of opportunity, but also highly volatile and emotionally demanding. So, before diving in, let's understand what really drives these wild price movements. How prices are determined. At its core, crypto prices, just like any market, are driven by supply and demand. When demand exceeds supply, prices rise. When supply exceeds demand, prices fall. But in crypto, this balance shifts much faster than in traditional markets because there is no central regulation. Global traders can act instantly. Emotions, fear, and greed move faster online. News spreads in seconds through social media. So, if Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin, demand skyrockets even if fundamentals have not changed. Understanding this dynamic helps traders ride momentum instead of fighting it. Market participants. Every price movement you see on a chart is the result of millions of participants interacting. Let's break down who they are. First, retail traders, regular individuals like you and me, often influenced by news, trends, and social media, typically trade smaller amounts but in large numbers. Second, whales, individuals or institutions holding huge amount of crypto. Their trades can move markets significantly. When whales buy, prices often spike. When they sell, markets can crash. Third, market makers, professionals or algorithms, they provide liquidity by continuously placing buy and sell orders. They keep markets efficient and reduce price gaps. Fourth, institutions, hedge funds, exchanges, and investment firms now entering the crypto space. Their presence adds liquidity and long term stability, but also new layers of competition. Together, these players create the heartbeat of the crypto market: constant movement, reaction, and price discovery. Understanding liquidity. Liquidity is one of the most important yet misunderstood concepts in trading. Liquidity simply means how easily an asset can be bought or sold without affecting its price. A market with high liquidity has many buyers and sellers. Trades execute quickly and prices stay stable. A market with low liquidity has fewer participants. Even small trades can cause a large price swings. For example, Bitcoin and Ethereum are highly liquid, billions traded daily. A small new altcoin, however, may have low liquidity. Buying $10,000 worth could spike or crash its price instantly. As a trader, you always want to trade in liquid markets, especially when starting out. Order books and market depth. To visualize liquidity, let's look at the order book, a live list of buy and sell orders on an exchange. Buy order bids are offered from traders wanting to purchase at a certain price. Sell order asks are offered to sell at a specific price. The gap between the highest bid and the lowest ask is called the spread. Tight spread is equal to high liquidity, healthy market. Wide spread is equal to low liquidity, less active market. The market depth chart shows these orders graphically: green for buyers, red for sellers. If you see a large wall of sell orders, it means heavy resistance. The price might struggle to rise beyond that level. If there is a thick wall of buy orders below, it means strong support. Prices may bounce there. Understanding order books helps you read market strength in real time. Volatility, the double edged sword. If liquidity is the calm ocean, volatility is the waves that make it exciting and dangerous. Volatility measures how much and how fast prices move over a given period. Crypto is famous for extreme volatility. It's not uncommon for prices to swing 5 to 10% or more within hours. High volatility is equal to higher profit potential but also higher risk. For example, a 10% move on $1,000 is equal to $100 profit or loss. On $10,000, that's $1,000 in minutes. Volatility is what attracts traders, but without proper risk management, it's also what wipes them out. Factors that affect price movements. Crypto market react to a wide variety of influences, many of them outside traditional finance. There are the major ones to watch. First is market sentiment. Fear and greed drive short-term moves. The fear and greed index is a great tool to track this. Second, news and announcement. Exchange hacks, regulations, or new partnerships can shift demand instantly. Third, Bitcoin's movements. Bitcoin often sets the tone for the entire market. When BTC rises, altcoins usually follow. When it falls, everything suffers. Fourth, global economy and regulations. Inflation rate, central bank decision, or new crypto laws affect sentiment. Fifth, technology updates. Upgrades like Ethereum's merge or new blockchain influences can trigger major moves. Sixth, whale activity. Large buy, sell orders can create sudden spikes or dumps. Knowing what influence prices help you anticipate moves, not just react to them. Market cycles in crypto. Crypto markets move in cycles, much like traditional assets, but faster and more dramatically. Each cycle typically follows four main phases. First, accumulation. After a crash, prices stabilize. Smart money whales, institutions quietly buy. Second, uptrend. Bull market. Prices rise steadily. Media attention grows. Retail investors join in. Third, distribution. Smart money starts selling to latecomers. Market sentiment turns euphoric. This time it's different. Fourth, downtrend. Bear market. Prices fall sharply. Panic selling begins. Fear dominates. Then the cycle repeat. Recognizing where you are in the cycle can help you avoid buying tops and selling bottoms. The most common mistake traders make. Market order versus limit order. Let's quickly revisit order types in context of liquidity and volatility. Make order, execute immediately at the current price. Best for speed. Can lead to slippage in low liquidity markets. You pay more than expected. Limit order executes only when the price reaches your chosen level. Gives control over entry exit. Might not execute if price never hits your limit. During high volatility, it's often safer to use limit orders. They help you avoid emotional trades and slippage. Market capitalization. Market cap is equal to price into circulating supply. It's a quick way to measure a crypto's overall value and market dominance. Large cap coins BTC, ETH, BNB, stable, lower risk, lower returns. Mid cap coins SOL, AVX, Link, balanced risk, reward. Small cap coins, new or low liquidity projects. High potential, high risk. Traders use market cap to assess potential growth. For example, a $1 coin with a $1 billion market cap can't easily 100x, but a smaller $10 million project might. Volume, the pulse of the market. Trading volume tells you how much of a coin is being traded in a given period. High volume is equal to strong interest, confirms price trends. Low volume is equal to weak participation, potential reversals. For example, if a coin's price rises but trading volume is low, that move may not be sustainable. But if both price and volume rise together, it signals real strength. Volume helps confirm momentum, and traders often use it alongside indicators like moving averages or RSI. We will cover those in part 6. Order flow and market makers. Even wonder why the price sometimes move against you the moment you buy. That's the order flow at work. Market makers and boards continuously adjust their orders to profit from short-term fluctuations. When you place a large buy order, it can temporarily push the prices up, especially in the low liquidity coins. Smart traders split large order into smaller ones to reduce this impact. Understanding order flow teaches you not to chase candles, instead wait for confirmations. Emotional volatility versus market volatility. The market is not the only thing that swings, your emotion do too. Inexperienced traders often panic when prices dip or get greedy during pumps, but professional traders view volatility as opportunity, not the chaos. They know that volatility creates entry and exit points, fuels short-term profit opportunities, rewards discipline and patience. As we will see later in the risk management and psychology, your mindset matters as much as your skill set. Example scenario, how market mechanics work together. Let's bring it all together. Bitcoin break about $70,000, high demand and liquidity push prices up. Retail traders FOMO in, volume surges. Whales start taking profit, distribution begins. A negative regulation, headline hits, sentiment flips. Panic selling increases, volatility spikes, prices crash. Smart money re-enter quietly during accumulation. This cycle happen again and again. Your job as a trader is to recognize the patterns, not be controlled by them. Let's summarize all you have learned today. How crypto prices are formed by supply and demand, the roles of whales, retail traders and market makers, what liquidity, volatility and volume really mean, how to read order books and market depth, the four phases of a market cycle, why understanding market mechanics gives you an edge.